Today, we're going to walk you through how to submit a return. To begin the return process, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Order Status in the footer. This opens the Order Detail page, where the return request begins. To look up your order, fill in the required 2 fields: the email address used when placing the order, either the sales order number, which always begins with 741, or the order reference number, which begins with the letter R. Once you've entered this information, you can access your order details. On the Order Detail page, you can review your order and begin the return process. The system automatically checks whether your order is still within the return window. If the order is more than 30 days past the ship date, the return option is blocked. If an item can't be returned, it will display the message, "Item is not eligible for return" on this page. Click Start a Return. Select the items you want to return, then choose a return reason and quantity. Depending on the reason selected, you may be prompted for additional details so the returns team can process the request accurately. If an item is not eligible for a refund, it will be listed in the bottom section. Before submitting, review all return details. This page includes an estimated refund amount, calculated based on the items selected and the price paid at the time of purchase, a hyperlink to FedEx drop-off locations, and a required acknowledgement of federal regulations. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. The updated packing slip and return label are automatically sent to the email address used on the original order. The packing slip includes barcodes for the sales order number and product numbers. Print the packing slip and return label, and include both in your package to ensure a successful return. For more information about the return process, check out our Frequently Asked Questions page.